Hello, guys, and welcome to the Foundations of Algebra Open House with Mr. Kilpatrick and Coach Almy. I'm Mr. Kilpatrick, and I'm excited about this school year. I love being a part of the Warrior Nation. I'm originally from Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I'm a graduate of the University of Tennessee at Knoxville. Go Big Orange. I have 2 kids, Janae and Miles, and 2 grandkids, Jeremiah and Jada. I must say, I am blessed. Regarding this class, it's a year-long class with Foundations of Algebra the first semester and Algebra 1 the second semester. So students have an opportunity to obtain 2 math credits this year if they pass both sections. The second section, Algebra 1, must be passed in order for the student to be promoted to 10th grade next year. So please encourage your students to complete their assignments in a timely manner and ask questions when they don't understand something. Office hours will be scheduled by the teachers by appointment. The class consists of summative assessments such as tests and projects, which count 55% of the grade, formative assessments such as quizzes, homework, and classwork, which counts 35%, and a final that counts 10%. The calculators needed for this class are the TI-36X Pro, which is around $20, or the TI-84 Plus, which is $120. Either one will do for this class. At the very least, have your student have the TI-36X Pro. It does everything that the TI-84 Plus does except graph. It will help them not only this year, but also throughout their high school career. The easiest form of communication is through email. My email address is john.kilpatrick@cobbk12.org. I usually return emails within 1 business day. Thanks so much for watching.